So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin searches or queries and search results. So you want to make sure that you're signed in, and you'll see your name in the upper right hand corner here, just to make sure, because otherwise it doesn't know where to save your queries and results. So I'm just going to type a search term here, and you can do either a simple or advanced search, and it'll save either one. So I'm just going to do libraries in the 21st century. So I'll just wait for that to load. And right here, sort of in the middle, right before the search results, there's the option to save query, and it has this pin here, and that's why it's called pinning. So just click on that. And you can choose to turn this on or not. I'm just going to dismiss that. And if there's any search result that you decide you want, so if you want to keep this article here, the relevance of academic libraries in the 21st century, you can just click the pin here and it'll keep it. And then just to search, so it just took a minute there. And then if you want to go back to them, you just have to click the pin in the upper right hand corner. Click on that. And it immediately defaults to the saved records. It'll show you everything you have saved here. And then also save searches. So this is the one I just saved, and I have some other ones. And search history. And so here it's loaded what I have saved here, and this is my latest save that I showed you before.